Welcome to the Chaotic Classroom. This clip is aimed at grade 12 learners studying the CAPS syllabus. And the point of this video is to talk about amino acids, which is the building blocks of proteins. Hopefully you are watching this video before you start talking about protein synthesis in your grade 12 class. Building a protein or making a protein is kind of like building a house. One of the things that you're going to need would be bricks, because those are the building blocks of the house. So amino acids are kind of the building blocks of proteins. So you can take different types of bricks and you can put them together in different ways to get different proteins, and different proteins will do different jobs. Now remember, when you put two proteins together, they will be called a dipeptide, 3 will be called a tripeptide, and anywhere between 4 to 49 will be called a polypeptide. The moment we go over 50, we're going to call them a protein. Now, if you have two amino acids that are going to be bonded together, that bond in between, that is called a peptide bond. Now, how does a cell know which amino acids it needs to make? How does it know which ones to put in which order? And the answer to that is very simple. It is your DNA. Your DNA is going to give the instructions of how to make this protein. And then the last question you need to know before we move on to protein synthesis is, where's your cell getting these amino acids from? Well, it's getting from the food that you eat. So you have protein in your diet, which will be broken down to amino acids by your digestive system. And those amino acids will then be used by your cells using your DNA as an instructional guide to build up the proteins that you need. I hope this helps. Thank you for visiting the Chaotic Classroom.